Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Chefali. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make hash brown pizza two ways. Some might say it's just a loaded hash brown, but potato, which is exactly what I'm shredding right now, one large potato should be enough for two people. Just be careful while shredding it by hand. Put the shredded potatoes in a bowl and start doing the same exact thing to the medium to large carrot. I cannot stress enough for you guys to be careful if shredding by hand. While I'm shredding this carrot, I wanted to clarify the two ways of making this. The first will be with the sauce and cheese, the plain cheese pizza. The second way is with veggies of your choice with the potato and carrot crust. So you're going to put the carrot in another bowl and submerge both items in water to keep them hydrated. Make sure your pan is on high heat while you prep. This is so the pan can heat up nicely. On the side, you will put some potatoes and a colander, I almost said coriander, and add salt and black pepper. Mix it well by hand. Oil the pan with about a teaspoon of oil and put the shredded potatoes in it. If you really want a measurement, it should be about 6 inches in diameter and a 1/4 inch thick. It's your preference, just don't make it too thick or you will have trouble taking it out of the pan. You're going to then cover it and let it cook for about 2 minutes on a medium-low flame, like I'm showing you. This is so we do not burn our food. Then you're going to uncover it to spread the pizza sauce on. If you want no scratch that, I highly suggest that you put a piece of shredded potato out and taste it. It should be half cooked at this stage. Then you're going to cover it back up for about 2 minutes or less. Use your judgment since not all potatoes are created equal and some may cook faster than others. That's why I told you to taste it. Then you're going to uncover it again like I just did and sprinkle some cheese on, well, as much as you want. As you can see, I'm putting a decent amount on there. You only live once, go crazy. But don't forget to cover your pan again. After about a minute or so, or until the cheese is melted, like this, you're going to let the pizza cook uncovered so that more of the moisture can sizzle off and our pizza can become crispy like we need it to. This is what the bottom should look like. A medium to dark brown. Once done, take it out of the pan very carefully and eat it before it cools down. It's best right off the pan. I'm getting hungry just by recording this. Yep, just find the best way to take it out of the pan. Don't rush it. Success. But we're not done here. I need some veggies on mine, so the second way we will make this is with potato and carrot. The ratio should be 50-50 or 40-60, with 60 being the potatoes. Put salt and pepper, oil the pan, and put the prepared mixture, like I will show you in a minute. Since our pan was already hot, it was on medium flame. But now the potatoes are on and carrot, go ahead and make it a medium-low flame, like I showed you before. Be careful while putting the mixture on. Don't burn yourself. Pat it down. Make sure cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then you're going to uncover to spread the pizza sauce on. But wait, before you cover the pan after putting the pizza sauce on, there's a bit more if you guys remember. Load this up with your favorite toppings. Right now, all I have is bell pepper, so that's what's going on. After putting the toppings on, sprinkle some salt and black pepper as per your taste and cover it again. There's just something about watching food being made. Just get hungry more and more. After about 2 minutes, you're going to put the cheese on. Again, go crazy, it's cheese, you can't go wrong. but just make sure you cover it again. The cheese should melt after a minute or so. As you can see, my cheese is melted off and it looks a bit sloppy. Not to worry, I just fixed it with my spatula and made it into a circle. You're just now going to let it cook while uncovered. This is the time to cook. Excuse me. I'm just very tired right now. The time for this to cook uncovered is a little bit longer because the moisture releasing from the carrots. Do not turn the flame to high. Be patient. After cooking on medium-low for about a minute, go ahead, put the flame on medium. Once the bottom is a nice dark brown with some areas a little burnt, it's ready. Transfer it onto your dish. I really love the second way because the carrots make it sweet. And since you let it cook for longer, it tastes like you barbecued the carrots, and that's something I had to share. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you next time.